unas áreas de su vida en las que los dos resulten.
The first time that I saw Brandon was at our church. The pastor introduced me to him because he said that we can just practice English and Spanish together. So that week we went for a coffee and we started talking about each other, getting to know each other. But I knew that he was interested in something else, so he invited me to go out, but I told him no, let's just go and hang out with friends first. I wanted to know him before, so for 2 months he waited to be out with me, to go on a date with me. Brandon, my love, I'm so happy that I'm gonna be your wife and we are gonna spend every single day together. And I love that we are putting God in our relationship and that He's gonna lead us. And I love the leadership that you have to guide me and to guide our future children. I love you.
Erika, we're minutes away from our wedding, and I just can't wait to marry you, to grow old with you, to take care of you, and to start a family with you. We have a great future ahead of us, and I know that we'll continue to seek God and put Him first, and after that, everything else should fall into place, and we should just have a great life together that I'm looking forward to. Love you.